13,000 subscribers. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and here we are at another milestone, and I just absolutely can't believe it, but we just passed 13,000 subscribers on the channel, and I just want to take a second to tell everyone here, thank you very much. Thank you for the support, thank you for the time and energy. I know you have plenty of other things to be doing, but you're taking time out of your very busy day and coming and watching these videos, commenting, joining the Discord server, helping the community grow, helping other individuals. And I just want to take a second to tell everyone thank you, because I wouldn't have this channel without you, and I don't want these milestones to go without being noticed, because it's you coming and spending your time here. Yes, I'm making the content, but it's all because of you and the motivation and the growth that you all have done, helping support me, keeping me motivated, sharing the things that you're solving. And it's just a really awesome experience, and I can't believe that I've gotten to do this for the past 7 years. So I just wanted to take a real quick second and tell everyone here, thank you so very much. And if this is the first video you're seeing, awesome. Make sure you're hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell. We do live streams during the day most days, and we are putting out videos all the time. There are now 1,100 videos, 1,100. I think this is 1,105, 4 or 5 videos. So thank you very much. There's playlists that link all these together. There are unbelievable resources in the Discord server. If you've not clicked the Discord server, go ahead and do that down below. Join over there. Ask any questions you need help. We're here to help, motivate, and support, and give you all the encouragement that you need. But I just wanted to take a quick second and tell everyone thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting the like button. I really appreciate it. But as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.